name's Jack Leader. I've been practicing for 51 years. The area of medical negligence is one of the areas that I have been practicing in my whole career. So I want to talk to you for a few minutes about what goes on in a medical negligence case and how we can assist you in the case. It would seem to the general public that surgical errors should be an open and shut. They made a mistake, I'm entitled to be compensated. But it doesn't work that way necessarily. All medical negligence cases in South Carolina require an expert giving an affidavit that confirms that there is negligence on the part of the doctor or hospital and that that is the cause of the damages. And it also requires us to extensively determine the value of the case. The client comes in and gives us the facts of the case, and then we obtain the medical records and review them. Then we begin communicating with the doctor or hospital's office or insurance company, saying this is the facts of the case, this is the negligence, and these are our damages. Most medical negligence cases require filing a lawsuit because doctors many times have the right to approve any kind of negotiations or settlement to resolve the case. And if they're found to be negligent, they go into a database nationally. Anybody can look up whether or not this doctor has committed negligence on some previous occasion. And sometimes you can go to the state medical board and find out if the doctor has been disciplined. One case, the surgeon went in and supposedly did an appendectomy. They received the appendix and they said in their lab report, well, this is just a piece of tissue. This is not the appendix. So that person, having been operated on, immediately had to go back to surgery within 40 hours and have this appendix removed again. That's a pretty clear-cut case of medical negligence. We had a case where a nurse anesthetist put the tube into the esophagus instead of the trachea, which lie next to each other. And so everything that was being pumped in, like oxygen, went into the stomach, and the person arrested and died on the table. And we investigated the case and found out that the reason she did that was because she was going blind and couldn't see and had not notified anybody because they would have immediately stopped her from doing those procedures. Medical negligence cases are very complex on some occasions and can involve having to get more than one expert in the case to resolve the case. So what I think people need to do is come in, let us set them up with an appointment, and then let me try and decide whether or not their case is worthy of getting a doctor involved. And the ultimate decision in the case is a combination of myself, the expert doctor's opinion, and the client whose case it ultimately is. If you feel like that medical negligence has occurred to you or a member of your family, what we'd like for you to do is contact us. We'll arrange an appointment for you to come in and immediately discuss the case for free with myself and another attorney.